Okay guys, so today's video is going to be about furnishing your apartment for the low. If you know me, you know I hate spending money. I hate paying full price for stuff. Bougie on a budget, that's me for sure. I really do not feel like you have to spend a lot of money to have nice things. I hate spending money. Maybe it's because I don't have any yet, but we'll figure that out. We'll see if that's the culprit once I get rich. Number one thing I want to say is if you're just moving somewhere, do not rush to get everything all at one time. Okay? Let's sit and enjoy the transition. Let's sit and appreciate the fact that we've done it. We did it. We're here. We're in a new place. We moved. We might be in an empty room, but we're here. Let's sit and think about that for a minute before you wreck your brain trying to fill up your space. So I came from student apartments and we never had to buy furniture because it was always furniture in the apartments already. So when I came, I had Whitney Houston, nothing. I had nothing. Not a nightstand, not a bed frame, not a mattress, nothing. I think I had like 2 lawn chairs. So random. I don't know. But that's what I had, nothing, okay? And it was okay. I slept on the air mattress for a few nights. It's okay. I promise you it's going to be okay. Just don't invite nobody over. Well, I still invited my friends over because I don't care. I'm here. I moved. Let's celebrate that, okay? And then when I get some furniture, we're gonna celebrate that too. You always need a reason to have a glass of wine. Another tip I have for you guys is to get things piece by piece. Once you move, you know, you're probably gonna be spending a lot of your time trying to find a job. Whenever you get your job, I would say every check, buy something. I would not put things on credit unless you absolutely have to. So try to just go ahead and pay it out. You might have to sacrifice the first few months, you know. You might have to stack your money a little bit. You might have to not go out, you know, stuff like that so you can get your house in order. Y'all, I know nobody asked me this, but y'all, Doja Cat, she normally be in her bag. She always in her bag. But when she made Streets, she was in a big Birkin bag. I swear to God. Okay, y'all, so the first place we're going to go into is IKEA. I love IKEA because I'm a minimalist. And if you're a minimalist and you've been in IKEA, you know what I'm talking about. They have a lot of like simple furniture, simple decor, finishing touches type stuff. They have a mirror in there that I really want. I'm going to show y'all. It's $129, but I want it so bad. I just can't pull myself to buy it. Remember I said I don't like spending money. Another thing I want to say is if you plan to move to Dallas or Texas, anywhere in Texas, let me tell y'all something. These folks cannot drive at all. And I can't drive either. So that just makes for a bad combination. Y'all, look at how good of a parking spot I got. I never, ever get a good parking spot at IKEA. Ever. I forgot to mention, if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, let me tell y'all, first of all, I know y'all like her lipstick yet. I took it off because I'm about to put this mask on. But anyways, if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Bella's Furniture and Mattress, oh my God, y'all, they have the cutest furniture for the best prices. Oh my God, I love that store. That's where I got my bed and my couch from. I got a sectional for like $700. Do you know how much sectionals cost? Y'all, furniture is expensive. $700 was so good for a sectional. They have like really glamorous type of furniture. I'll show y'all my bed. I'll insert it here. But yeah, they have a whole bunch of glamorous furniture like that. If you're not in the Dallas area, if you have a wholesale furniture place near you, that's where you need to go. Leave rooms to go and rooms to go, okay? Because they be ripping people off with that cheap furniture and those expensive prices. Go find you a wholesale furniture mart in your town. Okay, so what I like about IKEA is that they do like a whole room setup. And I think that's so cool.
I thought this little coffee table was so cute and it was only $39.
Y'all, this mirror is so cute. Look at it. Look at it.
This is actually exactly the same coffee table I was looking for my house, and I'm so mad I'm just now seeing it, and it's only $50. This nice little kitchen table, oh my gosh, y'all, it is so cute, and it's only $1.99. These little side tables, $9, you guys, so cheap. These little coffee tables over here, $29. They have cool room setups where you could purchase a whole room under a certain amount of money. Y'all, I thought these chairs were so player. Oh my God. I knew the girls were really gonna like this vanity setup, so I linked everything in the description bar below. I want that vanity setup so bad. And remember that mirror I mentioned? This is it, y'all. I definitely think this is worth $129. I thought it was so great that you could go in and get a bed frame for $229. Y'all know how much bed frames are? And they had some for $199. Crazy. These cute little drawers were $49. Y'all, this is such a princess bed, and it's only $149. You guys, come on, move. This mirror wall had a bunch of mirrors at some really good prices. You could definitely make a mirror wall in your house out of a few of these. So cute. They have a bunch of household items and like kitchen items. These little bowls are only $1.99. These cups, 79 cents, guys, 79 cents. And these plates were only $1.99. They had some really cool floor lamps for only $12.99. I thought that was so crazy. They also had these cute lights that you could hang from your wall, well, your ceiling. And guys, unlike other stores, you can go ahead and take your furniture home same day. You do have to do it yourself though. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I'm going to show you guys where I got a few of my household items from. Let's get into it. So my lovely couch came from Bella's in Dallas. If you have a wholesale furniture place in your area, you should definitely go. Super cheap sectional. Sectionals are very expensive. I got this pillow cover from IKEA. It was only like $6, and then the cushion that went inside of it was only $3. IKEA, baby. Okay, so my rug came from, drumroll please, Walmart. I got it from Walmart. My little corner mirror over here, excuse it, it's a little dirty at the bottom, but it came from TJ Maxx and it was only like $30. I swear to God. This little thing I made myself. Isn't it cute? I'm an office stand for sure. Okay, so something I want to leave you guys with is don't try to get everything all at one time. Make a list of everything you want in your apartment, and then as you get paid and as you start getting checks, just start getting things off of that list, and over time, before you know it, your apartment will be where you want it to be. And sometimes it might take a little minute. Like mine still isn't where I want it to be. And I really don't like too much on the walls and stuff like that. But you know, I still do have a few other things that I want to get just to, you know, put my finishing touches on everything. Also, Facebook Marketplace, guys, they have so much good stuff on there, especially when you move to that area. Go on the Facebook Marketplace and see what the area has to offer. Like, I'm in Dallas now, so there's so many people selling so much good stuff for cheap on the Facebook Marketplace. Just be careful. Be safe when you meet these people in public areas. I hope these are things that you all know already. Also, you guys, Walmart, don't sleep on Walmart. They have nice rugs in there. They have nice stuff for your kitchen, like you want to get your forks and knives. They have cheap towels. They have cheap cups and plates. I mean, cute stuff too for cheap. Cute throws, blankets, comforters, things like that. You can go to Walmart. They also have, what else did I get from Walmart? Oh, I got this coffee table from Walmart for like $20 or $29. So cute, so cheap. It was perfect. I like simple stuff. It's super simple, super cute. They have nightstands in there. They have futons in there. They have everything. Five Below also, you guys. Five Below is so great. I got some pillows and stuff from there. They have some cute decorative items. Everything is $5 or less. Dollar Tree, don't be sleep on Dollar Tree. I'm telling y'all, they have some good stuff in Dollar Tree. And I don't know who told y'all was too good for thrift stores. But thrift stores have some cheap, nice stuff in there. I'm telling y'all, don't be sleep on your Salvation Army and on your what the other ones is. Can't even think right now. We have a, what's it called? Big Thrift or something like that. That's super close to me, and I be going down there and getting stuff all the time. They be having some, you'll look up on some cute mirrors in there. Clothes too. I love thrifting. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and all your comments and DMs and everything. Please keep asking me questions and give me video topics and stuff. I'll help out the best way that I know how. Like, I finesse everything. I find a way around everything. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything or video topics, let me know and I got you.